Hey everyone, this is Madhvi and welcome to my channel Achieve Your Dream. Today I'll be discussing about the structure and sources of Indian Constitution. Before I start this topic, I would like to give a small example related to this. When we are purchasing our groceries every month, what you'll be doing? You'll be going to a shop or a supermarket to purchase goods, and the shopkeeper will purchase from some other people, and he'll keep the stock, whatever the people need. In the same way, at that time when the India was formed, in like newly forming, like 1946, between 1946 to 1950, they have all the leaders have planned, like, we need a special constitution and what are things that they have to keep in the constitution. So at that time they have kept various committees, and they have finalized with this Indian constitution. They have taken small things from every part of the world, and here they have also taken small things from Government of India Act 1935, which plays a major role to prepare this constitution. So after that, they have taken from USA, Australia, Japan, Germany, USSR, etc. and they formed this constitution. So in detail we'll be discussing in further video. So let's get started. Structure of Indian Constitution. Indian Constitution has 448 articles at present, but the last article is 395. Why? It's because when the Indian Constitution, any articles were forming in day-to-day lives, like, then what the government will be doing is, like, they will be adding an article in a form of alphabetical order, like A, B, C, D, N to Z. So in that way they have added. So that's the reason the article will be remaining the same, but the articles will be adding in between. That's the reason the article was 395, but actually the articles were 448. Let me give you an example. If you take it as a panchayats, article is 243, but the panchayats were like till A to 243 to A, 243B, and so on to 243O. The same way the articles were adding. So the articles were keeping in some other number, and below the number it will be like ABCD series. Okay. The next, coming to the structure of Indian Constitution, at present in 26 November 1950, the articles were 395 and the parts were 22 and the schedules were 8. When the Constitution was formed, the articles were like this, and at present the articles were like 448, parts were 25 and the schedules were 12. And coming to the sources of Indian Constitution, the Indian Constitution have been taken, the parts of Indian Constitution was been taken from various countries like USA, British Constitution, Ireland, and Germany Constitution, South Africa Constitution, Constitution of Slovenian Union, that is USSR, at present it's Russia, and Canada, Australia, France, Japan, and also Government of India Act 1935. And we'll be discussing in detail in further video. Coming to the Government of Indian Act 1935, it plays a major role to form a constitution, and in this they have taken, Indian Constitution have taken emergency provisions, Public Service Commission, Judiciary, Office of Governor, and federal structure. Emergency is added on part 18 and articles were 350 to 360, and Public Service Commission was added in part 14, article 15 to article 323. And judiciary was in the part 5, chapter 4, and article is 124 to 147. Office of Governor is 153 article. When coming to the USA, Indian Constitution have taken many things like fundamental rights, judicial review, impeachment of a president, removal of Supreme Court and High Court judge, preamble of Constitution, judicial, independent judiciary. And coming to the fundamental rights, it was added in part 3 of the Constitution, and from article 12 to 35, and judicial review is article 13. It is also in the part 3 of the Constitution. And impeachment of a president, which is removal of a president, that is added in article 5, part 5 and article 61. Removal of Supreme Court and High Court judge is also in a part 5 and article 124.4. And preamble of a constitution is nothing but it is an introduction of our constitution. We'll be discussing in the further classes about the preamble of Indian Constitution. When coming to the Ireland Constitution, we have taken directive principles of state policy, president elections procedure, and members nominated by the Rajya Sabha by the president. And directive principles of state policy was added in part 4 of the Constitution, President elections were added in Article 55, and members of nominated to the Rajya Sabha by the President was added in Part 5 of the Constitution, Article 80. And coming to the next, when coming to the British government, India have taken right to constitutional remedies, that is writs of Indian Constitution also we'll be saying. So, and also parliamentary form of a government, citizenship, parliamentary privileges and rule of law. Writs of Constitution was added in Article 35 and Article 225, and single citizenship is in the Part 2, that is discussed in Article 5 to 11, and parliamentary privileges is discussed in Article 105. From Canadian Constitution, Indian Constitution have adopted few things like federal structure, advisory jurisdiction of Supreme Court, center appoints the governor of a state, residuary powers, and advisory jurisdiction of Supreme Court was added in Article 143. Center appoints the governor of a state as added in Article 155 to 157. Residuary powers were added in 248. From Australia, India have taken few things like concurrent list, which was added in Schedule 7, freedom of trade and commerce, which was added in Article 301 to 207, joint sitting of two houses of the parliament, that is Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha, which was added in Article 108. And coming to the Germany Constitution, suspension of fundamental rights during emergency was added. Article 356 deals with it. And the next is South Africa Constitution. From that, we have taken amendment of a constitution that is added in Article 20, and Article 368 of the constitution will be discussing about it. And the next is election of Rajya Sabha is also from South Africa Constitution. And USSR, where we have taken fundamental duties and ideals of justice such as social, economic and political was also taken from USSR. And the next is France. We have taken preamble. The words like liberty, equity, fraternity and republic was taken from France. And the next is Japan Constitution, that is procedure of establishment of law, that is Article 21 was taken from Japan. That's it for today, guys. If you like the video, please do like, subscribe my channel, and if you want any videos, please do comment so that I'll be preparing a video related to this and I'll be publishing it. Have a great day. Bye bye.